You can save Aarey and Amazon. If you have still not subscribed, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell for all my upcoming videos. You can start planting trees in your own house.
How?
I don't have seeds.
You can plant any seeds from any fruit that you get from the supermarket.
I don't have a flower pot.
Do you have a waste plastic bottle which you don't wish to throw so that it may pollute the environment? Cut the bottle as shown in the video. Place all your seeds inside this cut bottle and cover it with some soil.
I don't have a plastic bottle.
Use a tissue. Wrap the seeds around the tissue as shown in the video.
Now what?
Now just wait and water the plants every day, and you will see something coming through soon. And now you have your own Aarey and Amazon forest in your own balcony.